welcome back to my videos. Good to see y'all. If y'all ready to get this look started, me too. Starting off with a clean moisturized face, I'm gonna go in with my Smashbox. I think this is called the Photo Finish Primer or Photo Ready Photo something primer, and I'm gonna rub that in, do these brows, and a snap, girl, look at that, won't he do it? So now I'm going in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Toffee just to prime my eyelids. I will be setting that with some translucent powder, but before I do that, let's enjoy Tootie in the background being so cute. She just gave me a sticker. Isn't it? She's the best. She's the best. The powder I'm using to set my eyes is the Makeup Revolution translucent powder. I think I like this powder, but I don't like the packaging because the top is too small for me to pick like a bigger brush in and set my face. So anyway, there's that. For foundation, I like this NYX Fluid foundation. I don't know what it's called. I'm gonna put it in the description box because I'm not at home. But I love this foundation because you can layer it up or add more on or whatever. So you can go from like a natural, like I just woke up like this look, or you can go for a full coverage beat with this one foundation, girl. So I like it. You know, I like to go over my hyperpigmentation I have. So I like to cover that extra, you know, and get that in there. Back at it again with the LA Girl Pro Concealer. So now I'm just going to use this to highlight my face. Y'all know how to do this part. I don't gotta say no more, you know. So while I was doing my nose, do you see how crooked I did that line? I was like, oh shoot. So I have to just kind of go over that and fix that. Now, I don't know about y'all, but personally, I like to let my concealer kind of dry down a little bit because you get better coverage and it blends out better, in my opinion. So that's why I always use my fan. But y'all should know that now because y'all always watch my videos because we're friends now, right? Right? And let me just also say, I know y'all hear all these loud ass kids in the background, all this noise. I am picking up Ryder from school, and this is the only amount of quiet time I'll get all day. So I kind of have to do it now or never. Sorry about that. I apologize. My bad, y'all. My bad. But, you know, I'm a mom. Back at it again with my Sacha Buttercup setting powder. I only use this one to set my face. I didn't like the other one on my face because I like the yellow undertone with this one. So with my big fluffy brush, I'm just gonna brush away all this excess. And the last look I did, remember all that glitter? Spilt it, and it's still all over my table, all over my makeup brushes, all over everything. So there's that. And I don't think I showed you guys what contour palette I'm using, but now I'm using my new favorite, the Black Radiance one, the medium to dark one. It'll be in the description box because I forgot the name of it again. But that one, I actually like it better than It's My Ray Ray. Ray Ray, don't kill me, girl, but I mean, you got a good product too, girl, but like she's watching us. Let me bye. So anyway, on to my nose contour, which I think, well, I'm pretty sure I'm getting really good at because look at that. I had a wide nose. Now she's a skinny legend. Excuse me. Now for blush, I'm going in with my Milani Berries Amour, I believe it's what it's called. It used to be my favorite. Actually, I think it still is. But I love this blush. And it actually has like a little bit of a highlight tint to it. So even better. For highlighter, this is the MAC. Back to my favorite because this is back on my favorites. So this is the MAC Mineralized Skin Finished in Global Glow. And look at that glow globally. Look at that. Girl, you know the highlight popping when you dance. Okay, so we're going in with my girl perception palette. We're going to start off with that color Culture. Put that in my transition area because this is going to be a nice little smoky look, and this is going to help us blend out those colors. Okay, so we're going to go in with this orange color. I don't know the name of it. I'm sorry, that orange one. And I'm going to put this a little bit lower and with same brush though, and just fluff that into my crease. Now for the more redder shade, again, I don't know the shade. With a smaller brush, I'm going to go right in that crease, mostly stay on the outer corner area. But then whatever's left on the brush, I will drag it in. Okay, so now that I'm editing, I realize you can't really tell what color I'm pointing at, but it's actually that gold one. Not the top one, but the one closest to my finger, my index finger. Look at the index finger, girl. That's the color I'm pointing at. Now we going in with that top one, just kind of like an inner corner thing, because you can't really tell anyway. So if you wanted to, you could just leave it all one color. It don't matter to me, girl, but you can't really tell. But that's just what I did, so that's what I'm telling you. And I guess it just wouldn't be Tehryn's video if she wasn't covering her face while she was trying to record a video tutorial. Good job, Tehryn. Let's put on some mascara. Don't matter what mascara I'm putting on because I will be putting on false lashes. I will be grabbing some fresh lashes. These, I just got some random lashes from the beauty supply store. So whatever lashes you like. And of course, my only lash glue I enjoy using is the House of Lashes glue. So while that glue is drying on my lashes, you know, I went ahead and sprayed my face, dried my face. We multitask while our glue is drying, right? Yes. Is it just me, but watching when people put on eyelashes is like super satisfying? Is that just me, or am I? Never mind. So since I already sprayed my face, now I can put on bottom mascara. You know, I can't put it on before I spray my face because I'll have black mascara everywhere, no matter how long I feel like it's dried or been dried. So I always do it after I spray my face. Now we're going in with this shade to highlight the inner corner, as I always do. I like to brighten my eyes. I have big eyes and I like to bring them out even more. You know what I mean? I actually have a not new lip combination, but I have another lip combination that I like to do. And this one is very like autumny, fall-y, brownie type of nudie look. But anyway, I take MAC Cork lip liner, and then I get my Alyssa Ashley Elf lip gloss. Mix those together, and this is what you get. Pat out. Luckily for you guys, this video is now complete. My makeup is done. My hair can come unfurled, whatever. It can come down, girl. So I hope you guys like this video. I hope you share and subscribe and all that fun stuff. And I hope to see you in the next video. Bye.